Hi man, say man, what is good YouTube? It's your boy Panda, the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice man. And welcome to another food review man. On another episode of Yummy in My Tummy. Um, I'm really reviewing food and yeah, just trying out new things, bro. Trying out new things. I've never had a lot of things, so I'm trying out new things. So in today's video, as you guys saw the title of the video, I am trying out this American. This is an American burger. Look, I didn't know there was Burger King just near me, so I had to travel for this. It's like an hour away. Um, it's an hour away from where I lived, so I really walked. I really walked for this. I really worked for this. So yeah, man. But it's worth the content. So I bought this one is called. Let me see. Double Whopper. Yeah, this is a double Whopper. Why ngapalwanga la? So yeah, I'm trying to look for the name, but I can't see the name. Or is it me? Oh yeah. This is a double Whopper. I'm trying to look for the name of the burger. I think it's a double Whopper. This is a pick and pay one. Yeah, man. So this one is called a double Whopper. So it was 63 rand 90. So I mean, it's not that expensive. I'm gonna be honest. It's not that expensive. So yeah, it comes in this paper bag. It comes in this paper bag, and then this is what the wrap kind of looks like. So yeah, here it is. The Whopper over here, the double Whopper. Hopefully I'm saying it right. It has cheese. So yeah, man, let me just say, bro, this is what I call a burger. This is what I call a burger. Look at the size of this thing. Man, I wish I had my laptop. Maybe you guys, I wish I was with a good camera, man. Look at the size of this, man. Look at the size of that. It's probably as big as my head, man. Yeah, I'm done now, right? You know? So this is probably the size of my head, man. I don't wanna lie. So yeah, it wasn't that expensive. It was 63 rand, as I said. So it has lettuce inside. It has lettuce, tomato. It has pickles. And then it has two patties. It has two patties on it. Man, this is huge, bro. This is huge, man. And then the sauce there, I think they put mayonnaise and barbecue sauce, man. You know, I think they also put barbecue sauce. So yeah, man, we're gonna go in and I wanna taste this, man. This is an American burger, man. So I'm gonna be eating these a lot, you know. I'm in a car, man, so I'm sweating. But anyways, I don't know, man. I think I should do a thumbnail, but I don't think a thumbnail will be good. Um, I'm sweating. But anyways, let's go in, man, and see how it tastes. Size-wise, man, I'm giving it a 10. Like when it comes to size, I'm definitely giving it a 10, man. I'm definitely giving it a 10. Like it is big as my hand. Look at my hand. It is big as my hand, man. This is probably the biggest bag I ever had. Um, but yeah, let's go in, man, and see how the burger actually tastes, man. Mm, 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 mm. Another bite. Man, look. However, how I imagine the burger to be, it has met my expectations. This is definitely, man, the patties. The patties taste so good, man. It's like they used charcoal to flame the, it's like the taste of the patties, man. The barbecue and mayonnaise, man. Let me just say, man. Man, let me just say, man. I am really impressed with this, man. The size. Usually, I say it would take me. I'd eat 5 burgers. Nah, bro. I'd eat probably 1 or 2 of these, bro. On a hungry stomach. 1 or 2 of these, man. This is a huge bag. I don't want to lie, man. I am super impressed. Now, this is what I call an American diet, bro. This is what I call an American diet, man. You know? Because the burgers that I had were like half the size of this one. But this one, the cheese, man, everything tastes so fresh. The bun is so soft, bro. Just touching the bun, it looks like it's ripping apart. Mm, mm. Man, I understand why Americans. I'm sorry, man. I understand why Americans be getting. Oh, bro, this is really what I call a double cheeseburger. Not a double cheese, a double Whopper. Mm. The sauce is just the sauce is just dripping. The sauce, man, it's kind of making a mess. You see? Mm. Man, that is so big. I don't think I'll even finish that. But I'm gonna finish it. I mean, I'm hungry. I'm recording in the car, man. I don't. There's noise outside, so I don't wanna. So I'm probably sweating a lot. Yeah, but I don't. I'm probably sweating a lot. The sauce tastes so good. Man, if I knew, if I knew there was a Burger King over here, I would have came here a long time ago. I didn't know, man. They don't bring these things in the trenches, man. You know where I live, around where I live. They start here, then they go over that side, man. So, but otherwise, man. Okay, now let's get into business. Out of 10, how would I rate it? Let me just say, bro, that is the best burger I've ever tasted in my life. I know the yesterday's one, I said it's the best one, but this one, nah, bro. This is the best burger I've ever had in my life, bro. The best burger I've ever had in my life, man. Taste-wise, size-wise. Size-wise, I'm rating it a 10. And then when it comes to taste, I'm definitely rating it a 10. Man, it gets a 10 all around, man. Size-wise, I'm a big dude, man. So I need something big, and that is definitely something big, man. But yeah, man, that ends another episode of Yummy in My Tummy. So yeah, man, make sure to actually tell me what other burgers you want me to try on, or what other food you'd like me to do a review on. I'm definitely gonna do a review on it. I think it should come to the trenches, bro, because definitely they would buy it a lot, man. But I'm definitely gonna be coming here a lot, because I live like an hour away, but my friend lives like 15 minutes away, bro. This is the suburbs over here. So yeah, I'm out of my comfort zone, you know. I'm in the burbs. But yeah, man, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The link to my PayPal is down below, man. I'm sweating a lot. I wanna end the video. I'm out.